You hear that loud noise? That's the sound of progress. Well, everybody seems to be getting along out there. The goats really want my attention. It's almost milking time. I think we might attempt to milk the cow tonight after we do the goats. Brendan and Josiah and Gabriel are building us kind of a stanchion over by the new goat coop, which is now the cow coop. That only came about because we got a cow after building the goat coop, and we kind of want to leave her out in the field, but we want her to be used to here and feel like this is home and not have her wander away, so we need a place to lock her up at night. So our new goat coop was the perfect place because the goats hadn't really moved in yet. And so we've been putting her and the calf in there at night. And then hopefully in the future we'll be able to leave her out in the field overnight. We just haven't planned for that yet, and we just want her to be comfortable here and learn to come to us with treats and just feel like this is home. And then we'll leave her out. And then we'll move some of the goats up and use it for more separation like our plan was in the first place.
You know how to milk a cow?
Can you? Here, baby. Come on. Here, baby. Come on. Good girl.
Has she ever been milked before? Yes.
Do for that. Here's the turnip. Do you want turnip?
Nope, just alfalfa.
What did you want me to do, Abba? Oh, you want me to do something?
Once we learn it more, then you'll be able to try. Once we've done it a few more times. Okay?
Big kick. Whoa. Broke the board.
I have the feeling.
What are you doing, Ashbud? Are you learning how to crawl? You come over here. Don't know how to crawl.
So I'm eating lunch today and I keep hearing power tools running. What are you building? I come down here and Emma's hard at work building. Oh, is that your...
I'm taking it apart.
The shelf? Yeah.
I'm trying to make it more stable.
It's a table, right?
Yeah.
For your fort?
Yes.
Looks really good.
Although I'm trying to take it apart now. But the screw won't come out.
Yeah, sometimes when a screw spins like that, you have to put a board against the back of it. So do it again and push. Oh, you're in reverse, right?
Yes.
I'll push it out as you spin. See that? It's awesome. What are you going to put in on this table?
I don't know.
You got your legs milled?
Hmm?
You got your legs?
Yep.
We have a lot of offcuts from our sawmill. They're not there. I mean, that's almost a 2x3, but not really good for too much. But the kids have been using basically all of it for their fort or building projects. And Micah made a really cool sawhorse. Emma's making a table. It's cool. It's cool to see them reusing this stuff. We're gonna make some more. Our pole barn design calls for 18 post holes, and they need to be about 30 inches deep, and that's a lot of digging. So we went to Coeur d'Alene and we rented this, and has an 18-inch auger on it. So hopefully that will make our digging short, and hopefully it'll be worth the few $100s that we paid to rent it for 24 hours. It's a what?
Smaller digger.
This is a smaller digger. It's
'Cause-
called a dingo.
Because one time we had a bigger digger, now it's a smaller digger.
That's right. The clock is ticking on our rental, so we better get to it.
What are you doing? Are you in a hole?
Huh?
Are you in a hole?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because I want to.
What's the appeal of being in a hole?
I don't know.
Just playing in the dirt? Cool.
You hear that loud noise? That's the sound of progress. We rented this post hole digger and dug a bunch of posts around for the pole barn. Pole shop? I don't know, the pole building that we're building. We're not calling it a pole barn because we don't intend to keep the animals in here long term. I'm going to build a barn out on the property, but this will be more like the workshop, but it is a pole building. So anyway, those are the holes for the poles. If you hold it by the handle, probably not.
What, Mommy? Mommy, in the 2 days